In this video, I will show you how to remove TikTok filters and effects. And before we begin, keep in mind that you cannot remove filters or effects from a video that has already been posted. But before you post, you can easily remove filters and effects. So let's start with how to do that. Open the TikTok, and when you start creating a new video, make sure the retouch feature is turned off. And you will find it on the right side of the recording screen. If it's enabled, then tap it to turn it off. Then tap on filters. You will find it on the right hand side. To remove any applied filters, simply click on the circle with a line through it. For effects, click on effects on the bottom left corner and again click on this crossed out circle to remove any applied effects. Now your video is filter free. And if you want to remove filters from your drafts video, for this open your drafts by going to your profile. Now tap on the draft video you want to edit. Now click on filters and then select a circle with a line through it to remove any filters. And if you have added effects, then click on effects on the right side and then click on undo to remove them. And then click on save to update your draft.